The KCLD Playhouse on demand.
Kat puts on her headphones, looks me dead in the eye, and goes. And I go, I kind of laugh because I'm a juvenile delinquent. And I go, oh God, what was that? There was a
Red Bull.
It was a funk. That's what it's exactly what it is now. Now that you mention it,
Red Bull smells great. No, I love the smell of Red Bull.
I'd be okay with that. It's like a fruity punch kind of usually smell.
Right.
But it had something on the end of it, like foul. And I go, what'd you have? Did you eat this morning? What'd you have for dinner last night? She said, let me think. Oh, yeah, it's rotisserie chicken. So imagine digested rotisserie chicken topped with a Red Bull. That's what the studio now smells like this morning.
Catch more of the Playhouse on demand.
On demand.
At 1047kcld.com. Click on the Playhouse.